Studs not on top, or more commonly known as SNOT, is a popular building technique in the LEGO fan community. Today, I would like to show you a couple of my favorite SNOT techniques, and what I believe is a really fun combination that could be helpful for your builds. Let's jump right into it. First up is this common SNOT assembly involving bricks with studs on the side, and these are separated by two plates, and this gives an even connection for the one before plate to connect sideways. Now you'll notice when you start building out that the tile does not come in line with the top plate. This can be remedied by switching to a different SNOT structure, as shown here. Those brackets adjust the spacing just enough for the tile to come in flush with the top plate. Now what happens when we combine these two SNOT building techniques? Keeping in mind that having a side build attached by one stud isn't very sturdy, to get that section connection point, you actually build the brick with the stud on the side out sideways using the two plate principle we discussed earlier. And by putting a plate on top, that secures it all the way around, giving a unique, almost L-shaped system that's sturdy and structurally sound.